Hi, I'm Alex Gimfane from Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods in Middletown, Rhode Island, and I'm coming to you today live from the Newport International Boat Show. Today we have our most recent featured product. It's a woven vinyl product for indoor-outdoor use on boat decks and in boat interiors. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns and textures. It also comes with a couple different thicknesses of backing. And it is a completely waterproof product as well as weather resistant, UV resistant, and stain resistant. It's very easy to clean. You can just use a hose to wash it off if it gets dirty, or use a cloth or towel. The other great thing about this product is you don't have to glue it down. You can just loose lay it, or if you want, you can use snaps.
Thanks for watching. We hope to see you here at Tent A of the Newport Boat Show, and we look forward to seeing you then.